A leading investment bank chose iMeta to help them transform their client lifecycle journey by tackling 3 areas: automation of KYC risk assessment, workflow management, and regulatory compliance. So, how did they go about it? Automation of the KYC risk assessment is carried out using iMeta CLM. An onboarding request from the CRM system is submitted and immediately arrives in iMeta. The platform triggers an API call to an integrated third-party data source. The appropriate entity record is selected, automatically populating the platform with corporate data, including corporate hierarchy and ultimate beneficial ownership information. In real time, another API call is sent to the integrated sanctions screening provider. If there is sufficient data to validate UBOs and directors, such as date of birth and residential address, then electronic identification via another integrated data provider is done at this stage too. This complete process removes the need for dual keying and copying and pasting from multiple websites. The rules in iMeta CLM were tailored to the client's anti-money laundering policy. This provides automatic risk assessment with prompt notification if anything is missing. For example, if there is a company with available data up to shareholding but missing the UBO, the analyst will be prompted that there must be at least one UBO. The system adapts to only perform top-up requirements when needed. For example, across jurisdiction, or an existing UK client wants to transact with business in Australia. Similarly, this works for additional products, from lending to FX and derivatives. Reusability of data has massive benefits when performing KYC on a large organisation with multiple subsidiaries or branches. For example, Company X is onboarded all the way up to UBO. Subsequently, Company X wants to set up a special purpose vehicle for different financing purposes. In this case, the analyst needs to perform KYC for the SPV only, and will reuse the data for Company X if the KYC documentation is still fresh and valid. Workflow management is designed for control, ensuring there is always a maker-checker process. This covers the analyst through quality control, escalation to management, financial crime, and finally to account auto-creation in downstream systems. In addition to AML, the tool is compliant with all other regulatory requirements, such as MiFID, EMIR, FSCS, FATCA or CRS, etc. Streamlining the bank's client lifecycle management process now delivers high efficiency and uptick in all areas, including speed and accuracy, whilst maintaining clear audit trails and controls. More importantly, it creates a single view of the client, with the ability to identify the extent of politically exposed persons, PEPs, and UBOs across the client database, and in which capacity they are acting, for example, as director, shareholder, UBO, or guarantor. All this capability puts the bank in a competitive position. Where cases used to take weeks, clients can now be onboarded accurately and rapidly in hours. And by leveraging the power of integrated data, lower risk cases can literally be onboarded within minutes.